Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the interlock switch in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new interlock switch. The interlock switches disrupts the electrical circuitry to the main control board whenever the dishwasher door is opened. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if its internal contacts burn out or short out, causing the dishwasher not to turn on or to run while the door is opened. Open the door. Take out the 8 Phillips screws that holds the inner and outer doors together, and then separate them. Latch the inner door and open the outer door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, carefully, not to break the tabs, lift them up and remove the interlock switch cover. Using the flat blade screwdriver, lift out the old switch and pry off the wires from its terminals. This is the old interlock switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wires to the new interlock switch. It doesn't matter which goes where. Install the new switch onto the 2 mounting pins. Install the interlock switch cover. Position the air diverter on the outer door and install the inner door in place, matching the holes. Secure the doors together with the 8 Phillips screws. And then close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.